First thing, I signed this covenant because I believe in the sincerity and integrity of Brigadier General President. I do believe that this is a phenomenon. To my brother, Captain President, selamat pagi, sama-sama kita jalan-jalan sampai Siratan Mustaqim. I'm very thankful to the Moro National Moro Islamic Liberation Front. There is a mutual understanding between the MNLA party and myself that we want a peaceful and harmonious community. That's the reason why we also support the framework which is signed by the government and the Moro National Moro Islamic Liberation Front. Representing the Moro National Liberation Front under the leadership of Nor Miswari, we must understand that what we are fighting for is for the freedom of our people. The freedom of our people from ignorance, emancipating our people from the bondage of ignorance, and that we want freedom because we want to see a beautiful city. Yes, I will. Brother Lucero, at one time he asked me, when is a man